Hello friends, welcome to Exalt Solutions. Friends, till last video we have seen this complete draw section from this line command to the hatching command. Okay, so friends, I have tried to complete these all commands with complete explanation. If you have still a query, please comment your query in comment section, so I will give you a suitable resolution. Okay, so friends, from these videos we are going to see this modify command, so let's get started with it. Hello friends, welcome back. Friends, in this video we are going to see this first very simple command, move, copy and rotate from this modify section. So friend, first of all we will see this move command. Okay, for move, as you will notice that we do move our command or any geometries or any files from one folder to another folder. We use this move command. Okay, so we will see how to use this. Just select the move command and you have to select the objects you want to move. Okay, so suppose I want to move this complete object. You will notice that we are going to select each one of them. Means I have drawn first this line, then second this line, then this line, third line, and then arc. Okay, so I have selected this 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, now we have to move this. For moving we have to just enter key of your keyboard. After selecting these objects, just enter. Now we have to specify the base point. Okay, means with reference of this point we can move our object. Okay, I will say I want reference of this starting point and I want to move this my object from this point to right side or left side. Okay, so if you have to give a dimension, you can give simply dimension. If don't, you can just simply move it and just select the point and you will see your object will be moved from this place to this place. Okay, so friends, likewise if we want to move a single line, means I want to move just this curve, I will select curve, hit up the enter. Just I will select base point. If I want to move it from my center point, I will just select center point and just give direction and enter measurement. If we want to measure move it from 80, I will enter the 80 and you will notice that these arc have slightly moved 80 mm from this object. Okay, means the distance between this point and this point first is 0, now it has become 80. So friends, likewise we can use this move command. Okay, so friends, now we will see this copy. Okay, for it, just like move, we can just copy these commands. Okay, just select, we will see how to use it. Just select this copy command. Now we have to select each one of object you want to copy. Okay, I will just dragging and selecting these four, and now I want to move copy this command from here to here. Okay, so I will just select this, hit up the enter. Now I have to again specify the base point. I will choose this is my base point, or anywhere you want. I will say the midpoint is my base point. Okay, now we want to copy this to here. Okay, if we have dimension, just give dimension. I will say 200 mm and you will notice that again we can move it. Okay, so if you want to move it further, just go on selecting. Just I will select this, you will notice that we can copy it number of times. If you want to end this copy command, just select escape and now you will notice that this object is copied into three types. Okay, so friends, likewise we can draw this command. Okay, now we will see how to copy a single line. Means I want to copy just I will say this and this. Okay, so I will select both of them, hit up the enter. Just select the base point. I will select this is my base point and just move it. You will notice that we have copied this arc and this line to here. Okay, so friends, like this, likewise this we can move our objects. Okay, so friends, we will see how to rotate these geometries. For it, just select this rotate. Now here you will see, just like move or copy, we can rotate our these geometries. Okay, likewise if you want to say we want to rotate this from upper side to lower side, just select this arc. Okay, hit up the enter. Now we have to specify the base point. Okay, I will choose this is the my base point. Okay, and now just as we move our mouse, you will notice that we can move our rotate our this geometry. I will choose here. Now you will notice that we have rotated our this arc. Likewise we can rotate this also. Just select this rotate command, just select this line. Okay, hit up the enter. I will select this is the my base point and we want to rotate this. Okay, if we have any rotational angle, just give it, just select the shift greater than. Okay, give the angle. I will give a 30-degree angle, hit up the enter. You will notice that it is slightly rotated 30 degree to below. Okay, so friends, likewise we can use this rotate, move and copy commands. Okay, these are the very simple and basic commands. So friends, if you have any query, please comment in comment section. Thank you for watching.